Hello dear students of class 6. Welcome back once again to the online classes after your summer vacations. I hope you all are doing fine and you all have completed your previous work, your holiday homework as well as your copy work. Today your history turn. So it is your history turn. So today we are going to continue with lesson number 3, that is the Indus Valley Civilization. So first I'll give you the explanation of the chapter. Listen very carefully, then only we will continue rest of the chapter. So let's start.
Yes, dear students, so here it is your chapter, lesson number 3. Open that, the Indus Valley Civilization. So this civilization basically flourished before 4,500 years ago, and we already studied about 3 more civilizations, that is Mesopotamian, Egyptian and Chinese civilization in the previous chapter. And in this civilization, there are 2 main cities that are found probably, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Okay, and these cities are now in Pakistan. And apart from this, there were other sites which were found in India, like Ropar in Punjab, Kalibangan in Rajasthan, and Lothal in Rangpur. So these were the cities. So basically, these cities, those are found at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, belong to the one single civilization, that is Indus Valley Civilization, or you can call Harappan Civilization. Now come to the features of this civilization, that is planned city. So in planned city we have 2 parts. It is being divided into 2 parts, like citadel and lower town. Okay, so citadel were basically raised platforms where massive walls and the height of the platform were very high to protect against flood. And important structures like public bath, granaries and town hall were situated in the citadel. So there were 3 more characteristic in that areas, which were great bath, public bath, granaries and town hall. So let's study about these 3 also. In the on the next page, here you can see that first is the great bath, and you can see the picture also of great bath. So the great bath is basically kind of a swimming pool where people used to go for bathing, but it was not for everyone. It was, it is believed that only religious people or only upper class people used to go there for religious purposes. Okay, and the inner walls were treated to prevent seepage. Stairs descending into the bath were used for cleaning it, and there were drains also, and there were changing rooms around the swimming pool or the bath. Great bath. Now come to the granary. Granary at Mohenjo-daro was the largest building were found. Buildings were found actually, and in Harappa there were as many as 6 granaries, and these granaries were circular brick platform meant for threshing grains, and the grains which were found over there, some of the remains were wheat and barley, which shows that they used to produce wheat and barley. Now Mohenjo-daro also had hall, which may have used as an assembly hall, or sometimes prayer hall, or for cultural shows. Okay, I hope you understood till here. Now come to the lower town, the second part. First is citadel, second one is the lower town. Lower town basically were the outside areas where only merchant, craftsmen and laborer used to live. The main part of the lower town divided into rectangular blocks by wide roads cutting each other at right angles. And the remains of the brick houses and the drainage system were found, which shows that people had very clear idea about cleanliness and about the separation of the areas. And lamp posts were also found, which remains of lamp post, which shows that they had somewhere lamp post along the roadside. Now come to the houses of lower town. Houses were 1 or 2 stories high. They were made of baked bricks. Here you can see baked bricks, and were built along narrow straight lanes. Every house had 2 or more rooms with small windows, a bathroom, a kitchen and a courtyard. Almost every house had a well. Means they used to get water from the well, from their own well. Now come to the drainage system. The house had very good drainage system, the kitchen and the bathroom had drains connected to the covered main drains running along the main road. Understood? The way we are having today, the drains at our homes, which is connected to the lane drains, and the lane drains are connected to the main road drains, so that dirty water can be swiped away from the houses to the main road. Okay, so dear student, today I am going to stop till here. In the next video we will continue with life of people and the remaining part of the chapter. I hope that you all will study this whatever I have told you right now again to understand. Otherwise the rest of the things are very easy. We will continue in the next video. Till then, take care.